Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a very quick and honest review about this powerful website called Justuno. Imagine you have a store. When people walk in, you want to talk to them and offer them deals, right? Justuno is like that for your website. It's like a website marketing automation platform. It helps you talk to website visitor with special pop-ups and messages. You can personalize this message so different people see different things. This personalization can help you get more sales, which is called boosting your conversation rate. It's like having a smart helper on your website that knows how to show the right message to the right people at the right time. Now, talking about the key important features about this platform, just know how some really cool tools that makes it very easy to talk to your website visitors and encourage them to buy something. These features help you connect with people smartly. So let's look at some of the best features on this platform. So one of the best features is in-page personalization, popped up, quiz and survey, product recommendation, and the landing page builder. So talking about the pricing plan, they have different pricing plan. They have the free version, the light, the flex, and the enterprise. If you want more information about this, you can simply go back to the website to check more information about the pricing plan and the price allocation. And talking about the pros and cons, knowing the good and bad side help you decide if Justuno fits your need. So let's look at what it offers and where it might be a full shot. So talking about the pros, which is the advantages part of this platform, it's easy to use platform. It's also a great for boosting sales, offer many targeting options with a good customer support is available. So talking about the cons, which is the downside of this, the price can increase with the traffic and some features need a learning and the free plan has a limited features. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this part of your website. Thanks.